I'll be planting a red haven peach today, and it's bare root. My red haven peach. I'll be using this soil that you can get from the big box store, and along with probably a little 10-10-10. But this is the container I'll be using. And as you see, I drilled a few holes at the bottom. It's a 17-gallon container that you can get from your big box store. And we're finna put this peach in this container. Red Haven peach, bare root. I'm gonna get this plastic off and I'll come back. This, as you can see, is the root stock on my Red Haven peach. Don't look too much of a root stock, but we're still gonna get it planted anyway, and we're gonna see what we can make happen. This is just the root stock of the bare root tree, the Red Haven peach tree. It's my Red Haven peach tree that I got planted after I done watered it in. This is my dwarf suncrest peach tree, and I've done it essentially the same way as my other peach tree, with the soil, the container, the acidic amendments that I added to the soil, because most fruits, or a lot of fruits, like acidic soil, but you just have to do your research on that, because some don't, but some do. But this is my dwarf suncrest peach tree.